halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la.
So we have started our Christmas jaunt, and we little train wankers.
Little train wankers? What does that mean?
We're on a little train. We're going to the Christmas market at Barcarès, Le Barcarès, and it's quite bumpy. Not sure what to expect. I'm sure we'll have fun. We've just been down this road, so I'll show you where we're going and what the back end of the train looks like. It's quite a long train.
Very, very busy.
It's not very busy. We're the only ones on here. Oh, God. Right, so this is downtown Le Barcarès. And as I say, we're off to the Christmas market, so we have high hopes. Wish us luck. Right, there we go. So there is Mark's super duper train. Okay, so this is the Village de Noël at Le Barcarès, down on the Med, about 40 minutes from the Spanish border. I'm loving the penguins. They're super duper.
This is really good, isn't it? What we see from the outside.
Yeah. €7. So we'll go and see what it's all about. So it's very, very pretty. I think it's just as well that we came at night time, because I'm not sure it will be so pretty in the day. But this is definitely Christmas overload. Okay. It's very twinkly. There's some twinkly shops selling nice decorations.
They've got a roller coaster.
They've got a roller coaster. Nicky won't be going on it. It's a bit of a rickety roller coaster. Not sure No, well, I'm not going to go on it. But... You going on, Mark?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, apparently it's for kids. Oh my God. Oh dear. We probably won't be able to use this because it's going to be licensed music anyway.
Red carpet.
Yeah, we've got a red carpet. Quiet, really. I think we may have to partake in a van show at some point. This obviously is the eating area. It's quite a large space, actually.
It's very impressive.
Mark's impressed. It's a beautiful merry-go-round. It looks really old. Those balloons, lovely. You don't know where to go, do you? It kind of, what do you do? Because it's it's just a big space with lots of lights and nice smells as well. Oh, I say. Pretzels. Mark's found some new friends. And they've completely ignored him. They left him hanging. Even the dwarves don't like him.
I'm not doing that again.
Oh, babe. Oh, that was quite funny. It's all very pretty.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Donning now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
I think you could be like, you could have an overdose of Christmas here.
You can see Father Christmas in here.
It's very Christmassy, isn't it? We're not very Christmassy people, and this is like full on.
I didn't know it was here until you told me today.
I did tell him the other day it was here. But it's very full on Christmas. And for kids, I would imagine it's beautiful. It is lovely. It's very lovely, very beautiful, very well done. But it's very full on Christmassy. There's the man himself in there. Oh.
I think it's a woman.
It's a Mother Christmas, is
Yeah.
it? Don't spoil it. I love the balloons. The balloons are beautiful. Now you see, that's my kind of ride. That's as adrenaline as I get. The baubles on the Christmas tree. We've even got a random cow. It's lovely for kids. Mark's eyeing up that wheel thing. I'm not going on it.
300 metres higher than the London Eye.
Yeah, I'm not going on it. It doesn't look safe. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. Yeah, that's definitely more my cup of tea.
Would you go on there?
I said that's my cup of tea. Although the kids in there don't look very impressed with it. Oh, so they've got an ice rink here. No, Mark's excited. It's really strange to see ice and snow when we're next to a beach.
I know. Next to the Mediterranean.
Next to the Med.
That's your ride.
That's my ride, yeah. You're not joking. It's just started. It's actually really big, and it goes quite quickly. Yeah, I'd be squealing like a big girl on there, I'm afraid. We've got a crazy house there. Apparently Mark doesn't like fun houses, he's just said he doesn't like the mirrors. So I don't know where he's gone. There he is. Oh dear. Are you looking there? This is actually more Christmassy than Santa Village in Lapland. More Christmassy than Lapland. Then that was in July. There he is. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So were you impressed with the Barcarès Santa Village?
Very, very impressed.
Actually, no, it's not Santa Village, it's Village de Noël.
My first taste of Christmas 2025, and very, very impressed. No, seriously, they've really, really made an effort here, and it's spectacular.
Spectacular. But it is lovely. It's really nice. I feel very immersed in Christmas right now.
And Christmas songs.
Very, yeah, it's beautiful. Well done, Le Barcarès.
Yes.